I'm never buying another pink camera. This camera was like 20 bucks cheaper, and I'm never buying another pink camera. We are going through the Newseum right now. Got an FBI exhibit over here. This museum is basically about the history of news.
It's actually on the FBI's 10 most wanted list by 1999.
The Oklahoma City bombing. Oh wow, we're going back through it. Cool. Let me tell you something, you guys are in for a treat. Got another elevator back here.
How many are in this building, Ronnie? 19?
19.
Wow.
How many hydros do y'all have?
Who would I say?
This one's obviously hydro.
I would say out of the 19, probably 10 or 11 of them. But it's easier to do the other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 hydros.
Wow.
How can you tell? Just by the sound?
The sound, and of course looking at it too. I assume the big ones are dry power. This one may be submersible. I don't think, yeah, the big ones are definitely dry power. This is your part. Is this a public or employee parking?
Private for the residents.
Oh, well, this is a.
He said he was, yeah.
There's an apartment building here too, right?
Yeah, 135 apartments.
Oh, cool. We are about to get to see the machine room of the huge Otis elevators. We are going in. Wow. Dry power. Holy cow, let's get a look at this. How much hydraulic fluid? 2,500 gallons of hydraulic fluid. These are the tanks. That's the hydraulic line, right? Oh my gosh. This is to cool the hydraulic fluid. These are coolers for the hydraulic fluid. Now the elevator's coming down. You can hear the oil flowing back into the tank. The elevator's coming down now. This is for another one of the elevators. Wonder what, they have 4 pumps for each elevator. I would love to hear these things start up. All right. Eye protection, hearing protection. protection or hearing protection on, eye protection on. Now we're going to take a look at these awesome elevators. I think this one may be getting ready to go up next because it just came back down. I guess I'll just wait till it starts up. Eventually it'll start. I can edit the wait time out of my video. This one's next.
It all depends on the hall call. Whoever takes the concourse, they're the one that sends the elevator up.
That one went up, that one went up, so now this one has to go up next, I
It all
guess.
depends on the man. That one on the way down.
That one's coming down.
And one going up.
This one came down a few minutes ago. It's got 5 belts. I think this light actually, hold on. Yeah, I got better luck with this one. We caught the motor start up as we were coming in, but this is amazing. 4 pumps. The one at the El Cortez Hotel only had 3. Is awesome. All right. This one just went up. I think this is the controller right here.
It is.
Solid state controller. And I'm blurred again. There we go. That's inside the controller. Elevator company. How many gallons of hydraulic fluid is in each elevator?
600 per tank.
2,400 gallons to raise that elevator up to the 6th floor, right?
That's correct.
Wow, that's a lot of hydraulic fluid. It's a lot of energy in these motors. They're very powerful motors. These are the hydraulic lines right here. You can tell because they're actually pretty cool. So the capacity, what's the capacity of the elevator? 18,000? So how much total weight is it lifting empty, you said?
2,000.
So the cab itself is 22,000 pounds plus 18,000 it can lift. So it can lift in reality what? 40,000 pounds this elevator can lift. That is an impressive feat right here in this machine room. These are some really neat Otis elevator machines. A big thank you to the museum for this tour.